folks, I have a stock instrument to show you. This is a tenor. It's going to music camp with us, and if it makes it through that, it'll be for sale on our website. So this is kind of a builder's choice tenor. Started with some beautiful mahogany back and sides. This is salvaged wood from an old cabinet making shop. And mahogany goes all the way back to the earliest American production guitar makers like Martin. It's got a redwood top. I love redwood. This comes from cabinetwoodfromthewest.com. Real old, straight grain stuff. Always sounds good. Mahogany neck with the cherry stripe there. And then the last wood is cherry everywhere else. So this light colored stripy stuff comes from an orchard right up the road from us. Larry and I harvested those trees. And it'll get quite a bit darker with age. It'll go kind of butterscotch colored. Cherry binding as well. And then some of our fancy purfling there. So it's pretty fancy for me for a tenor. And this kind of redwood and mahogany combination we've done several times before. It always sounds good. It's like just a little brighter than Western red cedar, but more mellow than spruce. It's a good. Yeah, so this is number 947. Cheers.